In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another page on Google Sites. If you want to make your site easier to navigate, adding internal links is a simple and effective way to do it. This is especially helpful when you want visitors to click from one section of your site to another without having to search through the menu. In Google Sites, the process is quick once you know where to look. To get started, open your Google site and go to the page where you want to add the link. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can make changes to the text on the page. This is important because linking text happens directly inside the site editor. Next, find the text you want people to click on and highlight that specific text. Try to choose words that clearly describe where the link will go. For example, instead of using something vague, it's usually better to highlight text that tells the reader what they'll see after clicking. That makes your page more user-friendly and easier to understand. Once the text is selected, look for the floating toolbar that appears near the highlighted text. On that toolbar, click the Insert Link icon. This opens the linking options for the selected text and allows you to connect it to another destination. In the link field, you'll see a drop-down list that includes your site's existing pages. This is the key step when you want to create an internal link inside Google Sites. Instead of pasting an outside web address, you can simply browse the available pages already on your site and choose the one you want to link to. Take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct page, especially if your site has several pages with similar names. After choosing the page from the drop-down list, click Apply. Once you do that, the highlighted text becomes a clickable link that takes visitors directly to the page you selected. That's all there is to it. Linking to another page on Google Sites is a small change, but it can make a big difference in how people move through your content. As a quick tip, after applying the link, it's a good idea to preview or test it to make sure it points to the right page and reads naturally within your sentence. And that's how to link to another page on Google Sites.